Now let us write the relation for the related with the section formula when the point is externally for the line segment. Now here let this point be P, x1 y1 z1, let this point be Q, x2 y2 z2, and let this point be R with x, y and z. Now this clearly shows that R divides PQ externally. Now let coordinate of point R be x comma y comma z, which divides PQ externally. Okay. Now the coordinates of the point R which divides the line segment P with coordinates x1, y1, z1 and Q with the coordinates x2, y2, z2 externally. The coordinates of the point R which divides the line segment PQ externally in the ratio m1 is to m2 is given by R x comma y comma z is equal to, now the formula becomes m1 x2 minus m2 x1 upon m1 minus m2, m1 y2 minus m2 y1 upon m1 minus m2, m1 z2 minus m2 z1 upon m1 minus m2. So we have to apply this formula.